Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my educational platform. Mr. Amir is talking. Our lesson today, inshallah, will be about the compass and a compass rose. To know what are these? A compass rose, sometimes called a wind rose or rose of the winds, is the figure on a compass, map, natural charts, or monument used to display the orientation of the cardinal directions north, east, south, and west, and their intermediate points, which means halfways between the cardinal directions north, east, northwest, south, east, southwest. To know them, compass rose and compass, that means we want to know what is the difference between them. A compass is a tool that can tell you what direction you are going, and a compass rose is a drawing on a map that tells you the directions of places shown on the map. Again, the difference between a compass and a compass rose, that a compass is a tool that can tell you what directions you are going, but a compass rose is a drawing on a map that tells you the directions of places shown on the map. Okay, how does a compass rose work? That means we want to know how to use a compass rose or how it works. A compass points north. That means the handle needle of the compass points to the north because all magnets have two poles, a north pole and a south pole. And the north pole of one magnet is attracted to the south pole of another magnet. You may have seen this demonstrated by a pair of sample bar magnets or refrigerator magnets pushed end to end. Why is it called compass rose? The compass rose has appeared on charts and maps since the 1300s when the pole chart phase made their appearance. The term rose comes from the figure's compass points resembling the petals of the well-known flower. Naming them all of a perfectly was known as. Uh, why is uh, why is the compass or why is compass rose important? Why do we use compass? That means the importance it comes of what? Like the wind rose, the compass rose was coincidentally designed in a fashion that resembled the rose flower. It helped to orient a map in the proper reading directions and gave the relative directions for certain points on the chart. Before compass rods or before know this or design this tool were used on map, lines were drawn from a central point from the center, that means before discover compass or making or design. How do we know if a compass work? Okay, it should behave like not floating in the middle of a pool of water that you twist. That will tell you that it's work well. How quickly does the nail settle and accurately points north. In short, it does not stick when settling down to the last couple of degrees. A good compass will have 12 pivot pairing, uh, so we will determine it is good or work well or not. How do we read a compass rose chart? All charts have a compass rose, which show the directions of true north and magnetic north for that particular chart. Again, will show the directions of true north and magnetic north for that chart or a particular chart. The outer circle of the compass rose shows true north, and the inner circle shows magnetic north. And the variations between the two is shown in the center of the rose. Inshallah, we will continue later. Assalamu alaikum.